first of all, just make sure that your devices are correctly plugged into the computer. And then when you made it sure, just open your Windows search and type in Device Manager. Open a Device Manager, should look something like this, and you should receive a list with all of your installed devices. And then just find your device that isn't working in Logitech gaming software. I'm just going to assume a mouse is not working, just to show you that. Then just right-click on your mouse, for example, and then click on Update Drivers, Update Driver, yes, and then click on Browse My Computer for Drivers. And then click here on Browse, and then just find wherever your Logitech gaming software is installed. In most cases, it's just your local disk. And then under Program Files, and then just the folder is called Logitech gaming software, and then just select it and click on OK. And then, very important too, check the setting here to include subfolders, and then just click on Next. And then, in my case, the best drivers for your device are already installed. For you, you can you maybe need to install some new drivers here, and then whenever you're done with that, click on Close, and then just launch your Logitech gaming software again. And also important, try exiting Logitech gaming software before you start it again. So really exiting, not just clicking on the X. So just show the hidden items on your icons on your desktop on the bottom right corner, and then right click on your Logitech and click on Exit, and then you can start it again, and the issue should be fixed, and all of your devices should be displayed. That's it. That's how you can fix the issue when your software is not detecting devices. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.